Building an ark takes a lot of work.
You need wood, a beard, and tools. Not those tools. I was thinking of the biggest tool store in the West, M&M Tool and Machinery, where there are experts in tools, repairs, and machines.
I'm one that knows that safety is important.
My neighbor, he shops at those big box stores. How you doing over there, Joey? You getting more done? When Joey's tools break, he's got to take the tools to the store, call a third-party warranty center and hope that they're going to cover it, then wait a few days, and then go back to the store to pick it up. At M&M Tool and Machine, they warranty every tool they sell. And on the rare occasion, if one needs repaired, they do it right in their store. Not only that, they come to my job site, pick up my tools, and then when they have it fixed, return it. Instead of wandering around those big box hardware stores like Moses, lost in the wilderness for 40 years, I just pop into M&M Tool and Machinery, and boom, just like that, I get enough tools and expert advice to build an ark strong enough to hold my mother-in-law. Don't worry, she's not coming. Oh, a floodlight. Gonna need this. Don't believe me? Meet the owner.
Well, the best thing about M&M is we match the big stores, but we have the better quality products.
I'm a fan of that.
So no, if you need to fix your ark, we got the perfect tools for you. We got multi-tools, the grinders, and also the saws. If you need to build an ark, I know a guy. If you need tools, I am the guy.
So check out M&M Tool and Machinery. Where they have such a flood of deals, you'll want two of everything.
If you need an ark, Noah's your guy. If you need a
Meet the owner.
I know a guy. That's all I say. What am I doing?